So I started doing a little design starting with the corner. And then that gave me the thought that if I'm going to do that, why don't I put the edge on, the border on at the same time? So then that led me to thinking, what if I was to do pieces? Typically I would do one long piece for the frame. So I'd have 4 long pieces here. What if I do smaller pieces and tie them together using a second layer? So this board right here ties these two together, and this board right here ties these two together. And you can see underneath how they're screwed together. That way, I know if I do this nice and square, and I've tested it is good and square now, I'll start off with a nice square corner, and then I'll go out from there. So that's a difference already, doing the border as I do the design, so that should make a difference. Starting on one corner as opposed to the center should also produce something different. So I'm doing it this way. Now, it doesn't look very 3D right here. It will look more 3D once I put the oil on. Plus, these edges will be rounded off. So you get more of a distinct border here. So that'll I think make it a little bit more 3D. I did sand the edge of the stone a little bit, so that's not too bad the way it is. So I think what I'm going to do next is go back to my ripping, because that's the primary project. Although sometimes the primary gets to be secondary if you get going on an exciting secondary. But I think I'll do some more ripping, and then I'll start sanding these edges here and getting these ready to go in. Because then I could actually start screwing this all together and screwing these in from the bottom side up into these pieces so you don't see any screw heads. And then this will be siliconed on like we normally do once we start filling it in. And then I'm not sure, I'm trying to think of kind of working on the premises of, let's say that was the sun, and we're going to have rays coming off it. So I think we'll do some diamonds and squares up in this area, and then I think we'll come off with longer strips of different types of wood. That's what I'm envisioning right now, but that can all change as we go. Okay, let's get the music on and get ripping, and then we can get back to our art project. I like to give the table saw, I don't like to rip steady for too long because then the motor heats up and everything else. So it's good to have two things going. You give your tools a break. Beautiful piece of granite.